Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to your bank account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log into your account. Now once you successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And over here, you are going to see all of the accounts that you have, such as your spot account, your funding account, or some others as well. So over here, you first need to make sure that you have some fund in your funding account. If you don't have it, then you will have to tap on the transfer button, and after that you just have to transfer your funds from your spot wallet or from your unidentified wallet to your funding account. After that, you just have to tap on this icon option, and here you will have to select USDT. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer or convert, and then you just have to press this confirm button in the bottom. Now once you have some amount in your funding wallet, in order to send it into your bank account, you can use the method of P2P. For that, you need to tap on this more button in the top on the home page, and after that you just have to tap on the option of P2P trading. Once done, you will be landed on the P2P trading page where you just have to tap on sell, as we want to sell our crypto over here. So in the top, you will have to select your currency. If you want to, for that, you will have to tap on this USDT option, and after that, you just have to select the currency as per your country. After selecting it, you will have to add your payment method. For that, you will have to tap on this add payment method option, and then you just have to select the bank transfer option from the given list. Once done, you will have to press this confirm button, and then you are going to see bunch of different merchants that are providing bank transfer. So you just have to select the merchant that is verified on Bybit. You need to make sure that they have maximum order success rate. If they have it above 90%, then you can select that merchant. Then you need to tap on the sell button right next to their profile. And after that, you just have to enter the amount that you want to sell, and in return you are going to get the money in your bank account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.